Hi, I'm Helena, and today I'm doing an unboxing for the brand 42 Dubonnet Speakeasy Cosmetics. So here is the packaging that the products actually come in, and as you can see, it's this beautiful, colorful Art Deco pattern on the outside, and then the box is sealed with this cute little sticker with a gecko on it that says, "I love animals." And this is just kind of an homage to the fact that the brand is cruelty free. And so you'll see little animals, mostly flamingos and geckos, on the packaging. And that's because the brand is Miami based, so they're very active with the Florida Everglades and they donate for conservation and animal protection. And so you'll see that throughout the packaging. So going into the product box, this is what it looks like when you first open it. And as you can see, right on top are the business cards of the two founders, Anne and Lauren. And again, they have this really nice Art Deco print that you'll see throughout the brand's website, product packaging, and Instagram. And it's very cohesive. And so also right on top is this really nice eyeliner brush. And you can see that the 42 Dubonnet name is on the handle, as well as the really nice print. And then you can see that this brush head is really sleek and smooth for drawing clean lines for eyeliner. So then with the product wrapping, you can see it's wrapped so beautifully with attention to detail and this cute little sticker that says "Say Yes to Life's Magic." So it's just fun, a fun way to get into your products and see what's inside. So as you can see, it's really colorful and there's a lot of great things going on in this box. So we are going to start off with the Irresistible Kissable Lipstick. And of course, we're going to start with the shade Dubonnet, which is the one I actually happen to be wearing right now. So this is what the product packaging looks like. And a really cute thing about it is that it's shaped like lips, and it's really unique design. And then you have this little symbol on the top. And this symbol is the Egyptian symbol, the Eye of Horus, and it means something is hidden. So when you go into this package, you can see that there's a little gecko symbol underneath that was hidden. And also, I'll mention it now, but I'll show in later products, that underneath this black Art Deco print, there is a motif of the Florida Everglades, and you'll be able to see that in the side of every package. The pattern is revealed. It's easier to see in a product coming up later, but just to keep it in mind. So back to Dubonnet. So here is the Irresistible Kissable Lipstick tube. And then the shade is right on the bottom. And the cap just pops right off and you'll be able to see. So this is what it looks like on my skin tone, but I'll give you a swatch on my hand just to see what it looks like. And these lipsticks are matte, they're weightless, and they're airy, so they just glide right on. And I really love the staying power and just how nice and smooth they are. So that's Dubonnet. And now moving on to our next Irresistible Kissable Lipstick. We are going into the shade Bootsy Collins. Again, you can see the cool packaging. And then I will swatch Bootsy Collins for you so you guys can see the color. And Bootsy Collins is this really beautiful fuchsia color. It's bright, it's bold. So here's what it looks like inside the tube. And then, once you put it on, you see that it's this really gorgeous, bright fuchsia. Again, it's weightless, matte, and airy. Stay all day. So our third and final Irresistible Kissable Lipstick is going to be Sweet Vermouth. And I love the shade Sweet Vermouth just because it's a deep nude color, which I will show you right now. So this is what it looks like in the tube. So it's a deep nude, And personally, I love it so much because could wear it for day or night. It's just that perfect balance between the two. So you could really wear it however you wanted to. So this is our third and final Irresistible Kissable lipstick. And now we're going to move into lip gloss. So this is what the lip gloss box looks like. It's similar to the lipstick with the Eye of Horus and the kiss shape, but it's got a slightly different coloring, and the tube looks a little bit different. So we're going into lip gloss in the shade La La Lola, and this is what the tube looks like compared to the lipstick. It's a little bit thicker, and you can see the color right at the bottom. So La La Lola is a really nice plum purple shade, and as you'll be able to see, it just glides right on, and it has a little bit of a sheer quality to it, so you could wear it by itself, you could wear it over another lipstick. Personally, I would totally layer. I would even layer this La La Lola over Dubonnet. So you really can make it your own look and personalize it. And so this is La La Lola, beautiful plum purple. And some glosses are sticky or just they don't feel right on your lips. This one just glides right on, and it's not sticky, it's soft and smooth. And that's La La Lola. So going into our second gloss, this one is called Blinker, and Blinker is one of my favorite shades because here you'll be able to see it's this really nice shimmery pink color, but it's really light. And personally, here's what it looks like. Personally, I love it because I love a full face of makeup just like every other girl, but some days when you're just feeling a more natural look, this gloss is absolutely perfect because you can wear it just by itself and it gives your lips a little bit of pink glimmer, and it's really nice. But also, you could wear this, again, kind of like Sweet Vermouth. You could wear this for day or night, day being just a sheer coat on top of your lips, and then night being you could layer this over maybe a deeper lipstick or kind of whatever shade you want to make it a different look. So I love Blinker. This is Gloss Blinker. So now moving into our eye products, we're going to go into the Sultry Eyes Gel Liner first. And I wanted to start with this one because this one is where it's easy to see the layering of the patterns. So here you have the Art Deco. You can see the Eye of Horus underneath, and you can really see the pattern beneath. You see a leaf and just other kind of symbols. And so going into this really adorable little box, so I'll take the product out first. And so inside this one, you can really see the hidden pattern and the beautiful colors and designs. And here's a beetle. So we've seen a gecko and now a beetle, and you can see just how gorgeous this is. So going into the product itself, this is again the Sultry Eyes Gel Liner. And opening it up, you can see that it's just this inky pigmented black, and you would go right into this product with the brush. So here we have the two in combination, and you just go right into this, and you could do a cat eye, you could do just a smooth line for the day, whatever you want. But this is amazing because it glides right on and it doesn't budge. If you are busy and going all day, this will stay on and look perfect all day. So it's long wear and it's really nice and smooth. So then we're going into our mascara, and this is just the cutest packaging ever. This little tube. Again, it's the same kind of print and pattern, but this time it's shaped like an eye, which is just the cutest thing ever. And then you pop the sides out. Oh, also, we have a little hidden flamingo right here, if you can see it. So just fun little things hidden all over. And then you just push the product right out through. So here's what the tube looks like. can see. And then going into this brush, you can see how nice this brush is to coat every single lash and just give you a nice even application. And you could do one coat, you could do multiple coats for the daytime, and then really build this product and add more layers for nighttime or an evening look. But the really nice thing about this product is it is very buildable, so you do have the freedom to do one coat, to do many coats. It's really up to you. And so I will show you kind of a nice, you can see that it's just nice, black, dark, rich pigment. Beautiful. So this is the Noir Mascara. And then our last product in this unboxing is this cute little eyeshadow quad in this little bag. You can really tell the care that Lauren and Anne put into their products, just how nicely everything is wrapped and the attention to detail. You can really tell that the love and care is there. So going into this eyeshadow quad, you can see the fun print, slightly different coloring. And this eyeshadow quad is Sidecar, Blue Frost, Blue Velvet, and Starry Noir. So those are the 4 colors in the inside. And opening this up, you can see that it's this cute little palette, and it comes with 2 tiny brushes. And then here are these gorgeous pigmented colors. The little mirror. They're so smooth and soft, and they just go right on, but then they stay on. So they're really, really nice pigment for your eyes, and you can do all these together to build a kind of navy smoky eye look, or you could do them separately and rock 4 different looks. That is it in this unboxing for 42 Dubonnet. I hope you guys liked the products you saw. And if you did, you can check out the website 42 Dubonnet or on Instagram and see what other kind of products they have to offer. I just want to close by saying this brand is really incredible just because of, again, the care and attention to detail they put into their products, as well as the range of pigments that they have. They really have a lot of different pigments that look amazing on different skin tones, which is really important to me in terms of a brand and just the fact that they're cruelty-free. This brand is really amazing, and I hope that you guys liked it, so check them out.